Hello my loves, welcome back to our channel. My name is Jen and this is our baby naughty Ella. Say hi. Hi baby. In today's video, I would like to discuss to you on how to apply subclass visa 462 or the first working holiday visa here in Australia. And I'm going to discuss to you about this visa, the cost of this visa, the visa requirements or the eligibility, and the steps on how to apply this visa online. I am not a migration agent and definitely not a registered lawyer. I am just a nobody who also studied different types of Australian visas before. I tried to apply Australian visa and got approved. So if you're seeking for an Australian visa too, let's dive in. Visa Subclass 462 is first work and holiday visa in Australia. This visa allows you to do any kind of work in Australia, but you can only work for the same employer for up to 6 months. You can stay in Australia for up to 12 months, study in Australia for up to 4 months, and you can travel to and from Australia as many times as you want. And lastly, you can do 3 months of specified subclass 462 work to become eligible for a second work and holiday visa. The cost for this visa to apply online is $495, and this does not include the airfare tickets and your savings of not less than 5,000 Australian dollars. To be eligible to apply for this visa, you must be number 1, a citizen of and hold a valid passport from one of these countries. These countries include Argentina, Austria, Chile, China, Czech Republic, Ecuador, Greece, Hungary, Indonesia, Israel, Luxembourg, Malaysia, Peru, Poland, Portugal, San Marino, Singapore, Slovak Republic, Slovenia, Spain, Switzerland, Thailand, Turkey, Uruguay, United States of America, and Vietnam. Number 2, you must be aged 18 to 30 years old when you apply. Number 3, you must meet the education requirement. You must have a tertiary education or have a completed 2 years of undergraduate university study if you are from one of these countries. For Chile, you must have a tertiary qualifications or have completed or been approved to do a 3rd year of undergraduate university study. For Israel, you must hold a senior secondary certificate of education and have either completed military service or be legally exempt from military service. For Malaysia, you must have a tertiary qualifications or have completed 2 years of undergraduate university study. For Thailand, you must have either a diploma or a degree. For Switzerland, you must have completed 2 years of study following compulsory schooling. For United States of America, you must have a senior secondary certificate of education or equivalent. Number 4, you must have at least functional English. You have a functional English if you meet one of the following requirements. You are a citizen of and hold a valid passport issued by the United Kingdom, the United States of America, Canada, New Zealand, or the Republic of Ireland. You are a citizen of and hold a valid passport issued by Israel and have successfully completed an English baccalaureate exam in the level of 3 study units. You have completed a relevant approved English language test or assessment with an average band score of at least 4.5 based on the 4 test components. You have undertaken relevant education. For example, if you finished tertiary education and the medium of instruction is English, then you already have at least a functional English. Number 5, have a letter of support from your government if you are from these countries listed below. Number 6, you must have enough money to support yourself while you are in Australia of about 5,000 Australian dollars excluding your tickets. Number 7, you meet the health requirement. You can arrange your own health examination on accredited clinics depending on your country, or you may wait for the immigration officer to contact you for the health exams if needed. But if you live in a low-risk tuberculosis countries, you usually have no health examinations. If you want to check more about the health requirement and the low-risk countries, please follow me. Let's go to Australia Immigration and Citizenship website. Click on Menu, click Visas, click Getting a Visa, click List of Visas, click First Work and Holiday Visa, click on Eligibility, Then look for Meet the Health Requirement. Click on Health Requirement. You scroll up and click what health examinations you need. Then we are here. We can see the higher risk country if you click this, and we can see the health examinations needed for the temporary and permanent visa health requirement. And below we can see the list of low-risk countries. Number 8. You must meet character requirement. You must be of good character to visit or live in Australia. Number 9. You must have not previously entered Australia on a work and holiday visa subclass 462 and working holiday visa subclass 417. Number 10. Not have had a visa cancelled or a previous application refused. Otherwise, you may not be eligible for this visa. Number 11. No debts to the Australian government. Pay your debts to the Australian government first if you owe money before you can apply for a visa. Number 12. You sign the Australian Value Statement. You must acknowledge the Australian Value Statement that confirms you will respect the Australian way of life and obey Australian laws when you apply for the visa. Now let's discuss the steps on how to apply Visa Subclass 462. Step 1. Before you apply, check if applications are still open for a country of passport. To check this, I will show you how to do it. To check this, let's go back to the Australia Immigration and Citizenship website. Click the menu, click Visas, click Getting a Visa, click List of all visas, then click Subclass 462, then click First Work and Holiday Visa, click Step by Step, and you can see the Step 1. Then click Check if applications are still open for your country of passport, and you are here. You can see the status, if it's open, suspended, or closed. Step number 2. Gather your accurate documents and scan in colored copies. For your identity documents, you may need current passport, birth certificate, change of name documents if you have changed your name. If not, just disregard this data. For your education, you may need transcript of records or diploma. For your English language, you may need a proof that you have at least a functional English. Please refer to the eligibility visa requirements section. For a letter of support, you need to get it from your government if you are from one of these countries listed below. If not, please disregard this document. For your money, you need to provide evidence that you have 5,000 Australian dollars, not including the expense of your tickets. For example, you need a bank statement. For your character documents, you may need police certificate. If you nominate someone to help you process your visa, you need to sign these forms below. To receive your correspondence, you sign the Form 956A. To provide immigration assistance, you sign the Form 956. Step number 3. Apply for this visa subclass 462 online. I will show you how to apply this visa online. You can go directly to the Immigration and Citizenship website, this website, and find the visa that you wanted to apply. Click the menu, click Visas, click Getting a Visa, click List of Visas, and find that visa, Work and Holiday Visa Subclass 462. Click First Work and Holiday Visa, and then scroll up, then click Apply. It will take you to log in to your email account, so you need to log in. Provide your username, which is your email address, password, and click Login, and you're here. Then click Continue to start your online visa application. In this window, tick the box I have read and agree the terms and conditions and click Next. Provide your current location or your country of residence or your country of passport. Answer this question: will the applicant be accompanied by dependent children at any time during the stay in Australia on this visa? The answer is no. Has the applicant been granted and entered Australia on a working holiday visa subclass 417 before? No. Did the applicant had a work and holiday visa in Australia on or before 20 March 2020? No. Then select the type of work and holiday visa the applicant is applying for. So click First Work and Holiday Visa Subclass 462. Has the applicant been granted and entered Australia on a First Work and Holiday Visa Subclass 462? The answer is no. Does the applicant have a letter of government support to attach to the application? The answer is it depends upon you. If you belong to the countries who need government support, then you need to take yes. If you are not in the country listed, then you take no. Then you can click Next. Provide your passport details, and when you finish, click Next until you reach the last page of this application. I can't proceed until the last page because I am not applying for this visa, so please continue. If you're not finished to fill out this application form and you want to take a break, just click Save and your application will be saved automatically in the system. That's all I know about Subclass Visa 462. If you need assistance on how to fill out the visa form, then please let me know. I might be able to help you. So if you receive an error while filling up the first few questions on the Australian citizenship application form, please make sure that you answer the questions correctly in line with the visa requirements, and make sure also that your details, your personal details are correct, because the system won't allow you to proceed if in the first place you don't meet the requirements. If your country is not included on the list for now, then maybe this visa is not meant for you. Maybe you are meant to apply for a permanent visa like Visa Subclass 189 or Visa 190. If you are interested with this kind of visa, then please check on my playlist. I created a video about this, and I'm going to update this video later on to separate the subclass Visa 189 and Visa 190. Or you might be qualified to apply for a student visa, which is our next discussion about the type of visa later on. But for now, I need to insert some videos about Australian citizenship testable booklet and some tips on how to pass Australian citizenship application, because I received some questions about where to find the Australian citizenship testable booklet and some words that can help them pass the Australian citizenship application. So I will be discussing that after this video, and the student video will be sooner or later. Don't worry, we'll get there. If you have any questions, please email me through my email address that appears on your screen, or you can write them down on the comment section below, and I will try to answer all your questions the best I can. Thank you so much for watching on our video, and we love you every second. We'll see you when we see you. Bye. We love you. Bye.